Only 80 teeth. I would never have guessed that. I thought they would have like so many. I would never have guessed only 80.
I know sharks have double layer teeth.
Yeah.
So they have many teeth. But dolphins just have their one
row.
Yes.
Oh, by the way, I would never have guessed. It's a good expression. I would never have guessed. How can I say that in Korean?
상상도 못한 답이다.
상상도 못한
답이다.
답이죠. 상상도 못한 답이다.
Yes.
In a sentence, I would say 상상도 못한 답입니다.
Yes.
Okay, very good. Oh, I see. Okay, so I would never have guessed. All right, choose another question. What's the question?
Which country has the most UNESCO World
Historical
sites?
Which country has the most UNESCO World Historical Sites? World Heritage Sites. So what do you think?
I would say Italy.
Italy has the most UNESCO World Heritage Sites. Why?
Their history is extremely old.
Oh, they have a long history. Mm-hmm. Korea has a 5,000-year history.
I suppose so.
Suppose so. I don't know. I'm too young. So you say Italy. Italy has the greatest number of UNESCO sites. That's a very good guess. Italy. I'm gonna say. Wow, that's a good. I'm gonna stick with Europe. I'm gonna go England. I'm gonna say England.
Okay.
England. Okay. Let's ask Siri. Hey Siri. Which country has the most UNESCO World Heritage Sites? Ooh, she's searching.
I found something on the web for which country has the most UNESCO World Heritage Sites.
All right, here we go. Siri's a very interesting woman. She can find almost anything you need. Italy, China, Spain, and France have 53, 52, 46, and 43 sites. Son.
Which means that I win.
You're right again. Well, there you go. The country with the most UNESCO World Heritage Sites is Italy. All right.
I shall have another grape.
I'm going to go with the hot sauce.
Sticking with the spicy.
Yeah, I'm going to go with the hot sauce. I'm protecting my son. So, oh boy. Get a spoonful of this hot sauce. All right. You can see there's a spoonful of hot sauce, and you have a delicious, lovely grape. Well, here we go. Cheers.
Cheers.
Okay. That's good. Woo! Another question.
Let's see.
Okay.
What's this? How many kinds of fruits exist in the world?
How many kinds of fruits exist in the world?
Oh, that's a tough one.
Yeah, how many?
I would say between 200 and 250.
Well, come on, you gotta have a number.
All right.
How many kinds of fruits exist in the world?
225.
John Jr., my son, says 225 types of fruits exist in the world. I'm gonna go with 600.
Ooh, that's a big number.
600. 600 different types of fruits in the world. Okay, let's try this. Hey Siri. How many kinds of fruits exist in the world?
I found something on the web about how many kinds of fruits exist in the world. Check it out.
All right, we will check it out. Thank you, Siri. She gave us a link. Although it is not known exactly how many types of fruits exist in the world, the answer numbers in the thousands.
Oh.
Woo! Thousands. John said 250 or 225. I said 600. The answer is actually in the thousands.
All right.
It says there are at least 1,600 varieties of bananas.
Wow. All right.
Yeah. All right.
I would not have guessed that.
You would not have guessed that. It says the total number of plant species in the world is estimated at almost 400,000. So yeah. Many types of fruits. Okay. I also am going to have a grape to try to cool down my throat and face. Choose your poison.
I shall have this lime.
A lime. You got to eat the whole thing except for the rinding.
Mm-hmm.
Or the rind. I can't even speak anymore. Okay. Cheers.
Cheers.
This grape is delicious. How's that lime?
It's good.
The lime is good. Good job. Delicious, huh?
It's very acidic.
Very acidic and citrusy. Nice. Good. Another question. We're ready.
Oh, I already did that one. All right. How many cars are in North Korea?